Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Adobe Creative Cloud on a new laptop. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your new laptop is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Sign in using your Adobe ID and password. Once logged in, look for the option to download Creative Cloud. Click on the download button to start the installation process. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, open the Creative Cloud application. You will be prompted to sign in again if you are not already logged in. Enter your Adobe ID and password once more. After signing in, the application will show all available Adobe products. Find the applications you wish to install on your new laptop. Click the Install button next to each application you want. Wait for the applications to download and install. Once installation is complete, you can now find the apps in your Applications folder. Open any installed Adobe application to verify your account authorization. You can now start using Adobe Creative Cloud on your new laptop. If prompted, agree to any license agreements or terms of service. In case of issues, refer to the Adobe support website for troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.